See, the chart's little bit cautious because in the month of the mid of July, we have witnessed a negative divergence on this particular counter. And that's why we are witnessing a selling pressure from almost 160 to levels to 134, 135. Now, it has at the current level, it has a very cluster support nearby 125. So as long as 125 support levels hold, we might witness some pullback rally towards back towards to 153, 154. He might again regain its buying price, but yes, profit can be witnessed only if the stock manages to give a breakout of a 160. Then only we can witness new uptrend, or say the fresh buying sessions can be seen above 160 towards to 180 level. My view is a little bit cautious. Try to exit whenever we witness some sort of a pullback rally towards to 160 levels.
All right. Interesting question, because we've seen considerable action in the primary markets, and FirstCry is a company that has its IPO that opened today. As I am told, the latest update is that it is subscribed by about 3%. The company has already raised a considerable sum from anchor investors. Asta, have you looked at the prospectus, and what's your view? What's your call on this IPO?
Yes, we have came out with a report on this. So we are giving a subscribe rating to this IPO, but for the long-term purpose, because in the short term, we cannot predict the market's mood. As we have seen the yesterday fall, it was a big fall. Now, talking about this counter, it is one of the largest multi-channel retail company, and with a focus on the kids, mothers, especially, we can say young children. So they are focused on that. Talking about this counter, the major negative which seems prima facie to be about this company is their loss-making nature, because in the financials they have shown losses, but there are reasons to that, because they were into the expansion mode. They have opened various stores. So definitely, the cost which the company has incurred due to those reasons, we have seen the losses. But going ahead, we are believing that this company will be turned around by the FY27. So within the time frame of 2 years, we can see the profits on the company. We are positive on this counter because one major positive about the company is about their addressable market. Also, the size is huge. It is $48 to $50 billion. FirstCry's addressable market. So they have a huge opportunity to grow. They have a strong brand. So we are recommending subscribe to this, keeping into mind long term. However, if markets move in the favor, then definitely some listing gain can also be seen on this counter on the listing day.
All right. And depending on the subscription, of course, you will get allocation. Let's see how that pans out. But from the secondary markets, again, this is a question for you, Swati, on Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. We've got Srinivas from Hyderabad, who's bought at levels of 55, and he's wondering what the long-term prospects are. He's defined that as 2 years. But what would your advice be based on how it's doing on the charts?
See, the charts as of now witnessing that this particular stock is just trading nearby its support levels, which comes to at around 40 to 42 levels. That is the cluster level we have seen since 2023. Now, at the current level, the stock is also trading nearby its oversold zones, which indicates that the selling pressure might not get intensified here soon, but definitely pullback rally can be seen in the short-term period of time. So as long as 42 levels are respected, definitely pullback rally can be seen up to 50 to 54 levels on the high side. If he's holding for a longer term duration, definitely he can hold on by maintaining a strict stop loss of 41 rupees on the downside. And if you're getting a breakout of a 50 levels, then 55 to 58 levels can be seen.